Hi, my name is Maggie. Hi, I don't know what I'm eating. Peanuts. Yep. If you ever watch this, it's me. LOL. I'll just hold up my camera real quick. And I'm upside down. Oh, this is real good. Here. I really don't know what to say. One minute and I'll I can't do show you. Yeah. One minute. Oh, I have an iPod. Hello, I am an iPod. Very cool, expensive iPod. Now I'll show you the cartridge. Can anyone guess who that is? Yeah, if you read it. You're not a good person if you read it. You're a good person if you read it. I'm just moving around a lot. Well, because spaces. Now, can anyone see that? Oh yeah. Guess who the picture on there is? No guess. Raven. I think that's a Raven. Raven Simone. Goes into my next clip that I showed you a minute ago. Yeah. This is just the string song. See through the station. Did I show you my pet shop set? I don't think I did. Pig. Cute little pig. Hello, I am a French pig. Salutations. Cute little pet shop. Kitty cat. You can tell by your little fingernails ball. They said kitty cat meow meow. Mama.